In our previous video, I showed you how to perform text to columns in Microsoft Excel. Text to columns is where we separate a group of text or string variables into different columns. In this video, I am going to teach you how to merge those texts together. Okay, now in doing so, we have what we use the text function concatenate. Okay, we use the text function concatenate, and that is what we'll be using in this video. All right, so let's say you have string variables. String variables are text. They are basically text. So you have this text, and these variables are names. Okay, so we have the surname and we have the first name, but then you want to put all of them into one single column. So you want to make it full name, not necessarily separated like this. Now, what the function that you are going to use in Excel is called concatenate. So just do equal to sign. It is a function, so do equal to sign, then type concatenate. So this is the concatenate. So it says that you have to pick the first variable like this, then you bring a comma, then you pick the next variable. Based on the number of variables that you have. From the first column to the second column, and on and on and on and on. When you are done with the number of columns that you want to merge, then you close it. Now let me show you something over here. You realize that closing it's put together the whole sentence. There's no space. But when you look at here, we have marfo odro kwatin. Okay, now it is not separated here. All you have to do is that you come to the function that you have here, then you put a quotation mark here, then you bring another space, then you put another quotation mark, then you bring a comma like this, and you realize that it is separated but it is in one column. And this is how we merge text in Microsoft Excel, or this is how we merge string variables in Microsoft Excel. Because this is a function, when you are done, all you have to do is to double click or drag it down, and it copies throughout, and you just have it like this. Now you realize that all these ones are functions based on based on column A and column B, but you do not want it to remain like that. So all you have to do is to copy it this way, then paste it again, either in the same cell or in a different cell. But in this time, when you are pasting it, you select the paste function, the values, the 1 2 3, and you realize that it would paste without the function, and now you have a merged string variable in Microsoft Excel. And whatever you want to use the data set for, you can easily go ahead to use it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.